Starting here. Did clean the bedroom up a little bit, but pictures off the walls. Everything out of dressers, lamp on the floor. Picture off the wall, TV on the floor. And then Garrett's blood from all the glass. And we come out into the hallway. And in the guest bedroom, just some pictures off the wall. Oh, I think he hung those up anyway, but nothing too bad in here. Obviously, thank God that didn't fall. Now we come to the fun room. Hello. Oh, I am not looking forward to cleaning this up. Good God. No. Let's just walk out of there for now. And pictures on the floor. That stayed up. You can see the big metaphorical dirty stayed up. Family pictures all over the floor. And we walk in here. Lamps on the floor. Unbelievably, big glass sculpture did not break after falling off a fireplace edge. That's okay.
I know.
Lamps all over. And now we come to the real fun spot.
We're just gonna get this stuff in here.
That's our wine rack. That's a big bottle of Frangelica broken all over the floor. It smells like almonds. And you really want to get for fun. Pinot was up there, that one's on the floor. Glass everywhere. Wine bottles everywhere. But that's not enough. So come into our kitchen. This is what we saw in our kitchen. Every single drawer open. But we're actually pretty glad about it because it cut all the bottles coming out of the cabinets.
Yep. What's this?
So thank God the drawers opened before the cabinets did. And over here. And then we walked over here.
So in here.
Where's it gonna go?
Yeah.
Everything on the floor.
That thing.
Cabinets all open. Oh, yay. Fun stuff. And then we come over into the family room. Every glass vase broken. Serving plates broken. Studio is actually still standing. I can't believe that. That moved about 8 inches away from the wall and fell backwards. Thank God no CDs to clean up. And yes, the TV stayed on the wall. Thank you, God. Although the DVR and the cable box wound up on the floor. Oh, not looking forward to this. And then one last stop on our way. Ugh, smells like sesame oil everywhere.
Come on, AC, kick on. It's hot.
I swear to God, this garage was neat. That is all of our shelving fallen forward and all of the contents on the ground. Well, Garrett wanted to clean up the garage. Luckily, artwork looks to be all in shape in boxes. Thank you, God, I know how to pack up boxes. Oh yeah, and last but not least, the garage refrigerator moved a good 3 feet from the wall. Thank you for joining us for post NAPA Earthquake video. I got cleaning up to do.